Hello guys, it's me again. In this video I will show you how to delete all Facebook posts at once. Firstly, go up to your profile section by typing on your profile photo on your left upper side. Then you need to go on the three dots beside the edit profile and go for the fifth selection, activity lock. Now what you need to do, just simply go to your post on the first selection and go for manage your posts. Now here you're gonna be able to see your all posts that has been posted on your timeline, because here are all activity sessions. Now if you go and type on all, and if you go on recycle bin, and as you can see, all these items could be moved to recycle bin and will be deleted after 30 days. If we go move to recycle bin, that means that we're gonna delete all Facebook posts at once. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.